Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you a very simple way in which you can easily remember how to carry out integration by parts. And we have a very simple function here, e to the x times x. So we would like to integrate the whole of this with respect to x. And this is the formula that will guide us. Alright, you should leave the first function constant. You multiply by, you integrate the second function, you subtract, you differentiate the first function, you multiply, you integrate the second function. If there is need for simplifying, you do that and you're good to go. But the problem is, which function should we leave first? All right, the function to differentiate should always be your first function. And how can we determine the function to differentiate? Because we have e to the x, we also have x. We have to differentiate one and integrate the other one. So we have an acronym LEIT that will always guide us in choosing the right function to differentiate in ascending order. L here stands for logarithmic function, inverse trigonometric function, algebraic function, trigonometric function, and exponential function, from left to right. So let's check. Do we have logarithmic function? No. Do we have inverse trigonometric function? No. Do we have algebraic function? Yes, we do. We have x. So therefore, this x should be your first function. So we can write this one as the integral of x times e to the x dx. So now let us integrate it. You leave the first function, meaning this will be x, times, you integrate the second function. We are going to integrate e to the x, which will not change it. It will remain e to the x. Minus, you differentiate the first function. The moment you differentiate x, you're going to get 1. Do I even have to write it? Because we are multiplying. Not necessary. Well, let me just write it. Times, you integrate the second function. If you integrate e to the x, you're still going to get e to the x. But remember to always add a constant of integration. So you see, if you like, you can factor out e to the x, right? It can be written as e to the x multiplied by x minus 1 plus the constant of integration. But it doesn't matter, you can leave it like this. So this formula will always guide you on how to carry out integration by parts. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues. Bye-bye.